Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve custom audience issues. Basically, you might receive two types of notifications saying that the first one A is Kaojao is not allowed to manage business account, try to connect ad account again. Or number 2B, you haven't added this ad account to your business account. Okay, so first, number one, if you going back to Kaojao and you click to custom audience, they will rate caution like this, rate notification like this. For me, normally for a new users, you will receive two notifications for A and B. But for me, for A, I already admit the terms and condition. That's why it won't show. So it shows only B for the business account. Okay, so for A, once you click, these terms and conditions will be shown to you. So what you have to do is you need to click accept, and then after that, when you finish clicking accept, you need to go to reconnect Kaojao with your Facebook page. How to reconnect, you can follow me. So once you click accept, you go back to Facebook and then you come here to setting and privacy, then click on setting. On the left side, scroll down to business integration and then choose Kaojao. Click on view and edit. Make sure you want to turn on manage your business here and then click save. To solve this issue, go back to Kaojao, click to edit. It will redirect to Business Manager. You need to create a Business Manager account first. Then complete your business and account name. And then your name, and then your business and email address. Once you are done, click submit. There will be a notification saying that you will receive an email confirmation in your mailbox. You need to confirm the email. In business setting, go to add account section, click on add an ad account, and then you need to complete your ad ID. Go back to Kaojao, copy your ad ID, go back to business setting and then paste. Once you are done, click add an account. When you click, this is how your screen will look like. After you have successfully added your ad account will be added like this.